Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add whey protein to diet. Start by choosing concentrate or isolate and calculate a serving that fits your protein goals. Mix whey into pancakes, oats, smoothies, or yogurt for easy boosts without extra prep. Track total daily protein and spread servings across meals to support recovery and satiety. Adjust timing around workouts if you want faster muscle repair and energy. In this video, I will explain how to add whey protein to diet. Use a scale or scoop to hit 20-30 grams and avoid guessing portions. Swap liquids to control calories and texture, and add a banana or oats for a post-workout carb pairing. Try stirring into hot cereal or baking into muffins for variety. Keep flavored and unflavored tubs to match recipes and reduce taste fatigue over time. In this video, I will explain how to add whey protein to diet. Quick recommendation: pick up the Owala water bottle to sip during shakes and workouts. It prevents spills and stays cold longer. I find it handy when I blend protein on the go or head to the gym, and it adds a bit of convenience to the routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to add whey protein to diet. Don't replace whole meals with shakes unless you balance micronutrients from fruits and vegetables. Watch total daily calories so extra protein doesn't unintentionally increase body fat. If lactose causes discomfort, choose isolate or hydrolyzed whey and monitor tolerance. Rotate protein sources like eggs, fish, and legumes to maintain nutrient variety and support long-term health and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.